fine time to send the new recruits. All right, you junior space rangers, listen up. Zurg is using the stolen battery cells to energize his secret weapon. Our mission is to find his robots and his secret weapon and blast them. Green Squadron will retrieve the power cells, while the rest of you concentrate on those robots.
All right, Space Rangers, aim for the Z's. And remember, the targets are worth more when they're lit.
Please stay forward. You may begin spinning your space station. Joystick spin control is now activated. You are now standing in the space station. Joystick spin control is
Space Rangers. Your space cruisers have been temporarily halted. Please remain seated. Your mission will resume shortly. Attention, Space Rangers. Your space cruisers will now be restarted. Prepare to resume your mission.
Mark out Zurg on the run. Blast him with everything you got. Mess around with Star Command, Zurg.
Curse you, Buzz Lightyear!
Good shooting, Space Rangers. Please run. Destroy Zurg's secret weapon.
No! My secret weapon! Ruined!
Run. Blast him with everything you got.
Outstanding!
Mess around with Star Command, Zurg.
I am invincible! Do you hear me? Invincible!
Shooting, Space Rangers. Please run. Destroy Zurg's secret weapon.
He will return Zurg to the shore. He is a bad boy. You have saved our lives. We are eternally grateful.
Mission accomplished, Space Rangers. It's been an honor serving with you. Check the status board to determine your rank, and don't forget to holster those blasters.